Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add quantity to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select quantity from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the quantity smart settings, you need to specify the inventory location. By default, the inventory location will be the primary location. By default, syncX, Stock Sync will auto-add product stock to a location even if the product was not stocked in that location. Disable it to not add the product to the location that it was not stocked. You have the option to choose either the available quantity or the on-hand quantity to update. Next is the quantity rules to reduce overselling. For example, you can set rules whenever the quantity is less than 5, it will display as 0. The quantity rules support complex conditions for more use cases. On the product section, you can set the products to have tracked quantity, which is inventory tracking for products. The low stock level is used for sending notification to you whenever a product has reached the low stock level that you have set. In the quantity option, you can set either the value from feed to overwrite the quantity in store or add/deduct from the quantity in store or just deduct from the quantity in store. The set store quantity to 0 before updating is used to sum up the quantity of duplicate SKUs that is in the feed and overwrite the quantity in store. To enable this, the sum up with the existing quantity option needs to be enabled. You can also skip updates when the feed value is blank. Note that a value of 0 is not considered blank. Lastly, the quantity delimiter available, you can choose it as decimal point, comma, or auto. Once you are ready, click on Next and all changes will be saved.